Baby. He.
Do you have a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm vlogging the day of the life of Zoila. Welcome to Zoila's vlog.
Clearing up the photo.
Throw it on face.
Okay. I got the double knot. Good fortune.
Nice. I got the clover well-being. Nice.
Nice.
Welcome to the Zoila vlog. We're back.
Hello.
We're in Oishi Park.
Yes, we are. The ice cream looks really cool. We have to get one. It looks very spongy. So the videographer is Amrit. Do you want to say hi something to the camera?
You're.
I'm good.
I'm gagged.
The New York came out of you.
It smells like shit.
Shut up. Oh, this must be so nice in the summer with the flowers.
Sugoime.
So far, what is your favorite part of the day?
Being with you.
Besides that.
Oh, we're going to Arihashiyama, the Sengen Park. The thing that with the pagoda. And then doing the fortune.
Oh yes, the fortune was really cool. It does smell like ass now. Oh look. This is how they dress. Very beautiful. Oh, see? That's how they dress. Some of these girls dress out here. I saw booty cheeks last night, just so you guys know. But, yeah. Why you look like that?
I don't know. Do you want it?
No, I'm just observing you. No, you look like a weirdo. Don't do that. Guys, let me introduce you. That is Andres.
They don't have the little things that I usually get.
You sound upset.
Highly.
You sound disappointed.
Highly. Why do you have the camera like that?
Oh, because I'm trying to angle you.
I'm lopsided.
With that eye, yeah.
Let's go.
What are we trying?
Chips. Oh. White chocolate dips. Freeze-dried bananas.
Okay. Bananas?
What you eating there?
Potato chips.
Nice.
Should go.
Okay.
So our phone sucks.
Pretty much.
Watch out for the bike.
二人の間通り過ぎた風はどこから寂しさを運んできたの泣いたりしたその後の空はやけに透き通っていたりしたんだいつもは尖ってた父の言葉が今日は温かく感じました優しさも笑顔も夢の語り方も知らなくて全部君を真似たよもう少しだけでいいあと少しだけでいいもう少しだけでいいからもう少しだけでいいあと少しだけでいいもう少しだけくっついていようか